the top news headlines. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar assures timely availability of school textbook. Government school teachers decide to boycott class 10 and 12 exams. And Professor Amar Yumnam stresses on leveraging natural resources for development. Welcome to Times of Manipur Television News at 6:30. I'm Loving Rimai giving you the news in details. Manipur Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar today ordered setting up a government publishing office to meet the demand of textbook enhancement academic session. He did this while attending the opening function of a 2-week certificate course in book publishing at the seminar hall of Department of Commerce, Manipur University, Kanpur. The program is organized by National Book Trust, MHRD, Government of India, in collaboration with Department of Commerce, Manipur University. Besides Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar Singh, Chairman of National Book Trust, India, Professor Govind Prasad Sharma, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Jarnail Singh, Dean of School of Social Sciences, Manipur University, GP Parsai, Training in Charge, NBT, SH Narendra Kumar, and Local Course Coordinator and HOD of Commerce, MU Professor KH Tomba attended the program. Joy Kumar further stated that books help in building sense of nationalism among people, adding that books also help in bringing about equality in a society. He also underscored the importance of book publishers. He said that in the past, the number of book publishers was very low, but with the advancement of technology, publishing job has been turned into a profession now.
Even providing financial advance, etc., grant, etc., for translation. So this is an occasion where we must also think about it, and we must try to take advantage of the same thing.
Speaking at the function, Chairman of National Book Trust India, New Delhi, Professor Govind Prasad Sharma said that it is important to provide low-cost books to students, teachers, research scholars and laymen. Talking about the importance of publishers, Prasad said that NBT gives special emphasis on publishers.
In northeast area, we are offering our proposal. Any person, not necessary he is a government person or non-government person, any person can send a manuscript and we will examine and we will publish.
All government school teachers have decided to stay away from the upcoming Class 10 and 12 examinations in Manipur to register protest against the failure of the state government to rectify ROP 2019. Government teachers from Imphal East, Imphal West, Taubal and Kokching districts today staged a protest demonstration in front of Taubal ZEO office complex. Talking to reporters, Council of Teachers Association Kota convener CH Shantakumar expressed displeasure over the passing of ROP 2019 in the State Assembly. He said teachers have observed a series of protests demanding the concerned authority to rectify the error. The Chief Minister and Education Minister assured of looking into the matter very soon. However, nothing has been done so far, Shantakumar regretted.
Manipur ni Gawati ka Manipur ka ginatala put ki mamal sina hongda berektana ay ko isu nungai ni ingbe abig tanda do le sabian pe tan resu yae taimusu tangai pada na sokchel le jaga sida hena sokchen na bisin bi basem si to bigano adana tanjari bai ko ki sabian pe in to se pangan bi waidna sarkar ki mai ke de koi amka. Faculty member of Manipur University Center for Manipur
Studies and Economics, Professor Amar Yumnam, today said that the culture of imitating the model of developed countries often creates problems. He said we should rather leverage the natural resources of our own land for development. Professor Amar also underlined on the need to take up development activities suitable to the land. Amar said this while attending 3-day residential community leaders meet 2020 at Earth Science Hall of Manipur University, Kanchipur. The meet was organized by All Manipur United Clubs organization on the theme Peaceful Coexistence, Exploration of Natural Resources and Misunderstanding and Trust Deficit among the communities. Leaders of various civil society organizations also attended the meet.
Peaceful coexistence and natural resource utilization deportalized. Manipur is very powerful in sports. It cannot be without logic. Logic is the foundation. That could be something. Our genetic strength could be definitely different. I could get genetic strength. Rest of India music genetic strength.
Manipur today observed the National Deworming Day. The program targets those in the age group of 1 to 19 years. A target was set to give albendazole tablets to 10.5 lakh children in the deworming day, for which necessary training was imparted to the Ashas, A&Ms, Anganwadi workers and teachers. In Taubal district, the day was observed at 5-star English school located at Lilong Atokhong under the aegis of District Health Society, Taubal. Additional Deputy Commissioner Taubal El Radhakanta attended the event as chief guest. Around 1,200,000 children and adolescents in the age group 1 to 19 years in the district were given albendazole tablets, which were distributed to 948 Anganwadi centers and 398 government and private schools. A mop-up program will be held on 17th month. Talking at the occasion, El Radhakanta appealed to all to give the tablet to their children. District Health Society, Jiribam, also observed National Deworming Day at the auditorium of Jiribam Higher Secondary School today. Sub-Divisional Officer Jiribam, Sagolsem Indrajit Singh, Chief Medical Officer of Jiribam, CH Urmila Devi, and ICDS Supervisor of Jiribam, MK Mishra, attended the program. Visitors, including those from abroad, have to suffer inconveniences like flight missed and cancellation due to tardiness of doctors posted at Moray Integrated Checkpost counter where coronavirus screening is done. Talking to media, Act East Policy Manipur government convener R.K. Shivchandra said that in other countries, the process of checking passports and other documents in the frontiers take only a few minutes. However, at the ICP Moray, visitors have to wait for hours due to unpunctuality of medical department officials. He said that in this regard, a complaint report will be sent to Chief Minister Biren soon.
Sida doctor laktabna maram moidna sida koi corona virus ki kai check taw doctor laktabna maram moidna si Myanmar national mayam ma si phaujal mi kun kunthra doctor laktabna maram moidaga adum punga ma ngai film da lai re hai tare sidi kamai tawni kana gum imphal de plane pharaga sat plane case store sat tawri kana gum na bagi lying dawri lambi the problem mayam ma muk lai rani si gi phibam si I should responsible ni aduga government da soi hai ni aduga sida library ba mayam na si kamai taw no ase koi yamna thijin na tangai phadre masi mayam na message ba pijari masi tawbidana ba aina mari laina ba bihak department sing da aina phongdok jari.
A team of Moray Commando on Imphal Moray Road near Kudeng Thabi village rescued 2 boys who were trying to join a militant organization. Last afternoon at around 2:40, the commando team stopped a Maruti van on the highway when the 2 minor boys were found traveling in a passenger Maruti van. It became known that they were on their way to Moray to join a militant group. The boys were in touch with an individual working for the group. Investigations are underway over the incident, a police report said. 45th College Week 2019-20 of DM College of Teachers Education was held today at the college campus. The function was organized by Trainee Union of DM College of Teachers Association. Principal of DM College of Teachers Education, H. Ibomcha Sharma, Professor C.H. Shantikumar, and other dignitaries attended the college week. Speaking at the function, H. Ibomcha Sharma said that the trainees in turn will share the knowledge to their respective schools. Indigenous People Protection Committee and Kirishap Mukti Sangram Samiti, Kashar District Committee held a sit-in protest against Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 at Mahasadak Point of Silchar in Assam. AIPPC President Sahadev Rajbangshi and General Secretary Seram Herajit Singh and several others took part in the demonstration. The protesters held placards condemning CAA. General Secretary of AIPPC Seram Herajit condemned the law. The protesters also demanded unconditional release of KMSS leader Akhil Gogoi.
Pass Luna, illegal migrant, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Kushan, Hindu Singh Kusala, Magi, Hindu right Joma, Hindu state, Rebagama Shin, Nabagi, Lalong Sing Masi, Apagi, Mapamasi, the Hill Shower, Indigenous community Sing, Mutan Nabagi, Honarakani Hibasi, Apoina, BJP, Shaka, Sigi Mayokta, Apoina, Kumdang Sanction Mini, Aduna.
Thoubal District Police last night arrested the accused in a rape and murder attempt on 46-year-old Tingujam Sumola, a resident of Charangpat Mamang Laikai. The incident happened on 3rd of February at Charangpat Ningthemcha Lokon under Thoubal District. The accused has been identified as Lashram Anand Singh, aged 27 years, son of L. Ingoshabi Singh of Haitok, Part 2, Mayai Laikai. Anand attacked Somola with a dagger while attempting to rape her. The victim is currently undergoing medical treatment at Raj Medicity, Imphal. Pune is all set to host the 5th Northeast Film Festival 2020, Fragrances from Northeast. The inaugural ceremony will take place at NFAI, Law College Road, Pune on February 14 at 6 p.m. Stage set for Northeast Film Fest in Pune, showcasing cinematic talents from various regions of the Northeast. The festival will feature 16 films of the region. The attendees will also have the opportunity to enjoy a cultural festival and relish delicacies from the northeastern region. The festival is being hosted by the National Film Archive of India. The festival will conclude on February 16, 2020. According to sources, several filmmakers from the northeast are expected to grace the festival. Bishnupur Police Commando arrested a woman, underground worker of the proscribed KCPN. Acting on a tip-off, the team, including women police, led by Assistant Sub-Inspector, arrested Gyanan Kshatriya during an operation at Tronglaubi Awang Lekai last morning at around 8:30. The arrested has been identified as 42-year-old Mutum Roma alias Naubi Chanu of Tronglaubi Awang Lekai, Bishnupur district. A mobile handset and a Jio SIM card were also recovered from her possession, a police report said today. Upon verification, it was learned that she has been working as an overground worker of the outfit since 2019. The arrested, along with the seized items, were handed over to Moirang Police Station, where a case has been registered in this regard. A cadre belonging to the band UNLF was arrested at Tanga Jinglaptong in Bishnupur district by security forces last evening at around 4, after getting a reliable information that some active members of UNLF were present in Tanga Samukol area. A combined team of Commando Unit Bishnupur and 31 Assam Rifles Bravo Company conducted a search operation in the area, during which the team arrested the cadre. The arrested has been identified as 35-year-old Haubijam Bisheshwar Singh, son of late Babu Singh of Tanga Shamukol Laikai. Bisheshwar joined the outfit in the year 2004 and had received basic military training at Shajik Tampak, a police report said. He was later handed over to Kabul Lamjau police station, where a case has been registered for further investigation. A team of experts led by the World Health Organization left for Beijing to help investigate China's coronavirus epidemic, as the death toll climbed to 908 in the mainland, surpassing the number of fatalities of the SARS epidemic of 2002-2003. The total number of cases so far is 40,171, and the infection has spread to at least 27 countries. One death each outside China has been reported from Hong Kong, the Philippines and the USA. The government today eased some restrictions and workers began trickling back to offices and factories around China. In India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday offered assistance to China to deal with the outbreak. In a letter addressed to Chinese President Xi Jinping, Prime Minister Modi addressed solidarity with the Premier and also conveyed his condolences at the unfortunate loss of the lives due to the outbreak. Testing aboard the Diamond Princess cruise ship in Japan has found 60 more confirmed cases of coronavirus, according to sources. That takes the number of coronavirus cases on the ship docked in Yokohama, south of Tokyo, to 130. The Diamond Princess was placed on a 2-week quarantine on arriving at Yokohama on February 3 after a man who disembarked in Hong Kong was diagnosed with the virus. About 3,700 people are aboard the ship, which usually has a crew of 1,100 and a passenger capacity of 2,670. Passengers have been allowed on decks in shifts to get fresh air and encouraged to regularly take their temperature. The health ministry is separating infection counts on the ship from those discovered within Japan. The disease has killed 908 people, predominantly. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Under the aegis of All Jiribam Sports Association, Jiribam, the 13th Jury Cup Invitation Football Tournament 2020 has started today at Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground. Altogether, 15 teams are taking part in the tournament. In the preliminary knockout matches played today, Chiru FC defeated PFC Paitol by 2-1, while UBFC Markolin beat Cookie Sporting Club Ranivang by 7-4. In the quarter-final league grouping match on 13 of this month, FC Lamjau will clash with PAY Kairang. Bangladesh clinched their maiden Under-19 World Cup title after defeating 4-time champion India in a thrilling contest yesterday, but the final showdown ended on an unpleasant note as players from the two teams engaged in an altercation after the first-time finalists emerged victorious in Potchefstroom. After India set up a total of 177 runs, the target was revised as rain interrupted play during Bangladesh's chase. Through DRS calculations, Bangladesh's chase was adjusted to 170, which they gunned down with 23 balls to spare and 3 wickets in hand. As the players from the winning team stormed the field to celebrate the victory, shoving and pushing was witnessed among the players from both the Indian and Bangladesh squad, as per a report. Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju today made it clear that no Indian player was given permission to travel to Pakistan to participate in the World Kabaddi Championship after a squad was seen arriving in Lahore yesterday. Earlier, the administrator of Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India, Justice Retired SP Garg, also said that the national body has not cleared any such team. As per reports, the officials of the Pakistan Kabaddi Federation welcomed the Indian players when they crossed into Pakistan from Wagah border, from where they were taken into a security convoy to their hotel in Lahore. All the 6 previous editions of the World Kabaddi Championship took place in India between 2010 and 2019. India have won all 6 championships, defeating Pakistan in 2010, 2012, 2013 and 2014 editions. Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar assures timely availability of school textbook. Government school teachers decide to boycott Class 10-12 exams. And Professor Amar Yumnam stresses on leveraging natural resources for development. That's the end of the bulletin for the news at 6:30. Thank you for watching.